today's video, I am going to discuss the basic integration of indefinite integrals. And here are the 5 basic formulas. Now let's move on to the first example. The first example is integral of 3x dx. We can see that we can use the second formula. Now let's start solving. First thing first, we have to put the constant outside of the integral. 3 integral of copy x dx. Next step, we can apply the power rule. 3x 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 dx. And no, plus c equals copy 3, 1 plus 1, copy x, 1 plus 1, 2 over 1 plus 1, 2 plus c multiply 3x squared over 2 plus c. And this is your final answer. Now let's move on to the second example. The second example is integral of 3x squared plus 2 dx. First thing first, we have to distribute the integral with dx, together with the dx. So first, integral of 3x squared dx plus 2, no, integral of 2 dx. Next, we will put the constant outside the integral. 3 integral of x squared dx plus 2 integral of dx. Next, apply power rule. 3x 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus 2, since integral of dx is equal to x plus c, so 2 times x plus c. Next, equate 3x cubed over 3x cubed over 3 plus 2x plus c. Multiply 3x cubed over 3 plus 2x plus c. Since 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1, so we can cancel it out. Then copy 3x cubed, copy x cubed plus 2x plus c. And this is your final answer. Now let's move on to our next topic. Our next topic is the U substitution method. I have 2 examples. The first example is integral of 3x minus 7 raised to the power of 5 dx. First, we will find let u is equals to 3x minus 7. Second, we will find the derivative of u. du. Since the constant number is equal to 0, so our derivative of u is 3 dx. Divide both sides by 3. We can cancel this out. So our dx is equals to du over 3 equals to dx. Now we can substitute. Integral of, since 3x minus 7 is our u, So we'll use u raised to the power of 5. So our dx is equals to du over 3. Du over 3. Since this 3 is on the bottom, so we can move it to the front and it becomes 1/3. Integral of u raised to 5 du. Next step, apply power rule. 1/3 u 5 plus 1 minus 5 plus 1 plus c. Equate 1/3 u 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, and then 5 plus 1 is equals to 6 plus c. Next, then we will multiply this one. 1 times u raised to the power of 6 equals u raised to the power of 6. 3 times 6 is equals to 18 plus c. And then, since our u is equals to 3x minus 7, then we will put here 3x minus 7 raised to the power of 6 over 18 plus c. And this is your final answer. Now let's move on to the next example. Our next example is integral of square root of 1 minus 5y dy. Since we can rewrite square root of 1 minus 5y as 1 minus 5y raised to the power of 1/2 dy. Then next step, we will find the d, the u. We will use 1 minus 5y as our u. Next, we will find the derivative of u, which is 5 dy. Divide both sides by 5. Cancel 5. So our dy is equals to du over 5. Now we can substitute u raised to the power of 1/2 dy is equals to du over 5. Next, since 5 is on the bottom, so we can move it to the front and it becomes 1/5 integral of u raised to the power of 1/2 dy. Next, apply power rule. 1/5 integral of, open parenthesis, u 1/2 plus 1 over 1/2 plus 1 plus c. Next, 1/5 u 1/2 plus 1 is equals to 3/2 over 3/2 plus c. Next, we will get the reciprocal of u raised to the power of 3/2 over 3/2 will be 1/5 times 2u raised to the power of 3/2 over 3 plus c. Next step, multiply this. 1 times 2u is equal to 2u 3 raised to the power of 2u raised to the power of 3 over 2. Then 5 times 3 is equal to 15 plus c. Next, we will substitute the value of u, which is 1 minus 5y. That's 1 minus